Edison. Thomas Edison invented the electric light bulb, the modern telephone, and motion pictures. Edison was born in Milan, Ohio on February 11, 1847. He was taught at home by his mother, a former teacher. At 15, he became a telegraph operator. In 1868, he moved to Boston to work for the Western Union Telegraph Company. About 1864, Edison invented an automatic telegraph repeater, his first invention. His first patent was for an electric vote recorder. By 1869, he was a partner in a New York electrical firm. He used the money he made in that business to buy a factory in New Jersey. He then hired several scientists to invent or improve on many products, including the typewriter. This business was very successful and he became wealthy. He sold the factory in 1875. Edison made many improvements to the telegraph, which he then applied to the telephone to make it more usable. In 1876, he set up another factory in New Jersey and hired scientists to work on new inventions under his direction. From 1877 to 1931, Edison and his team of scientists made many discoveries. In 1877, Edison invented the phonograph, which made him a great deal of money. In 1878, he began working on an electric light bulb. The Edison Electric Light Company was soon mass-producing these lights. He also came up with ways to generate and distribute electricity to power these light bulbs. In 1895, Edison improved the motion picture projector, and the Edison Company eventually produced more than 1,700 motion pictures. During the First World War, he contributed 45 new inventions to the war effort, including an underwater searchlight and a ship telephone system. In his lifetime, Edison took over 1,000 patents on his inventions. He slept only 4 hours a night and often worked for 2 to 3 days without stopping. He died on October 18, 1931 in West Orange, New Jersey. Edison's laboratory buildings and equipments have been preserved.